Hello dear friends and followers, welcome back to your channel Officer Aerospy. And today I'm in front of you guys. Let's visit McDonald's store, have something and explore how it works. Be with me for some times. Don't forget to subscribe Officer Aerospy channel, like, share and comment in the section below. Your Officer Aerospy, let's go crazy. Do you guys know exactly how McDonald's started? It was started in 1948 by two brothers, Richard and Maurice McDonald's in California. So there was thought of starting a restaurant to provide Americans a speedy food service system. Today, all over the world, everyone knows what McDonald's is, and it is exceptionally providing food and beverages to all these customers. So today, we'll have a quick tour of McDonald's, how it works, and understand behind the eating purpose and behind the food what all McDonald's is doing. Be with me for some times. Let's tour. Yeah, now wait is over. Here is my Mac Maharaja veg is coming. So if you place your order through McDonald's app, they will serve onto your table. Thank you, Madan, for serving. Yeah, this is how the Mac Maharaja meal looks like with French fries, Coke. Mac Maharaja is so big in its texture. Here you can see ingredients, crusty cheese they are using and corn. If you turn around, you will get the description of Mac Maharaja, what they are using. Some main ingredients are the onions, and they use jalapenos, and main are the lettuce. So these three brings a crispy flavor for the Mac Maharaja. So I just love the way the McDonald's pack their products, which gives a very good sight for customers. The Maharaja meal comes for two prices. One is for rupees 145 and one is for rupees 235. Includes medium fries and medium soft drinks. The veg Maharaja Mac is delicious corn double patty which is enveloped in rich sauce that mingles both the jalapenos, the crunchy shredded onions inside. You can see here. They are consist of two packed double-decker buns. The main ingredients are cheese, onion, lettuce, jalapenos and sesame bun. So these are French fries, everybody knows. So what is so special about the French fries in McDonald's? So the oil what they are using to fry all these French fries is having some additive content called dimethyl polyoxylene. So that prevents the oil foaming and splattering in the restaurant. McDonald's serves up a very specific shape of fry, and that comes from the way the potatoes are cut. Cutting machines look like a giant wood chipper shooting potatoes into high pressure water knives at 60 to 70 miles per hour. McDonald's fries take a chemical bath. If you look closely, it uses two ingredients dextrose and sodium acid pyrophosphate just to structure it. Dextrose is simply a sugar made from corn, so don't worry, no health issues. Once the fries are cut and baked, they are partially fried at factory to speed up the cooking process and packed and sent to outlets. The thing special about the Coke which you get in McDonald's is this Coke is very concentrated. Where you get outside when you buy a Coke bottle, it is little diluted. So this is the original Coke which you get in McDonald's and hamburger stores. Yes, this is cappuccino. The McCafe coffee drink chain actually which started in 1993 in Australia. So today there are around 15,000 restaurants they sell the McCafe, and if you turn around this, you stir it, you will get a very good texture. I took it in a heart symbol to all my subscribers, lovely subscribers. McCafe includes different types of coffees, like for example mocha, cappuccino, espresso, latte, etc. Wow, beautiful, isn't it? Yes, this is McDonald's hard cappuccino. This is with a heart symbol. And if you ask me what is the speciality of the McDonald's coffee, it's like it is little bit low bitter. So when you go outside like Starbucks and other things, other coffee shops, you'll get little bit of bitter taste. But in now McDonald's uses a medium roasted coffee beans. So if you use the medium roasted coffee beans, you'll get a very light taste of bitterness, and this is the specialty of McCafe, and it is very delicious. Hey guys, hope you got to know more interesting informations about McDonald's. So hope you like this McDonald's tour. Meet you up in the next video with one more interesting topic. Till then, take care, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Officer Spy channel, like, share and comment in the section below. Your comments are valuable to us. So meet you up in the next video. Take care, bye bye.